Lesson 10-10 Reflections. When a figure is folded in half and the edges match perfectly, the folded line that's in the middle is a symmetry. A lot of people will refer to themselves as symmetrical. If you drew a line down the center of your body, kind of following your nose and going straight down, theoretically, one side of your body is the same as the other. Sure, as you are continuing to grow, sometimes legs and arms and things are a little bit longer than the other side, but proportionally, we are designed to be symmetrical. Our left side should match our right. A reflection is a mirrored image of an original figure. So, for example, if you've ever noticed that when you look in the mirror and you see your reflection back, it's reversed, it's opposite. So, it is the result of a transformation of a figure over a line called a line of reflection. So when something is mirrored or is reflected, it's actually flipped over. And so we'll see some examples of these in just a moment. Let's look at each of these examples. So when you're looking at the letter E, you want to determine, is there a line of symmetry? And if so, you want to draw the line of symmetry. So when you see this object here, you have to determine, can it be folded in half to lay on top of itself? So if we tried to fold the object this way, we know that they would not match up. So then we want to try to fold the object this way. And if you fold the top half down over the white line, you will actually get it to match up with the bottom. So that white line would be your line of symmetry. Now if we look at the G, if we try to cross it this way down the middle, the line does not line up. And so if we tried to cross it this way in the center, it also does not line up. So this one you would say would have no symmetry because you are not able to fold the object in half and it overlap perfectly. So we're going to use this image as an example of reflection. And we are going to reflect this image across the x-axis. So if you're looking at this and it's going across the x-axis, all of your points are going to be the same distance from the axis, just the other way. So if R is here, then R is going to be one spot away from x and y. So it would be about right there. You're looking at T, and T is 1 over on x, but it is 1, 2, 3, 4 down on y. And then you have S is over 4 on x and down 4 on y. So then you would draw your new figure, and your figure should look the same, be the same size and shape. It should just be reflected over the x-axis. Reflections can go across the x or the y-axis. Remember, you just want to match up your points' distance and relate them to where they're going. If it's going across the x-axis, it's either going up or down. If it's going across the y-axis, it's either going left or right. Pause the video to complete the lesson review. Make sure you show me this lesson review for verification of watching this video.